press the damn record button.
I think.
Wait. I see you.
Bro, that fucking light wasn't on, bro. Somebody's back. See. Stab me. Oh my god, Larry. Wait, that somebody was back here. And me and Jenny was like freaking scared. She stabbed me with something. I told
So
you.
what happens when we look around corners? It's hard to look around, huh?
That's my brother. Scared the shit out of us.
Don't take a picture of me.
It's not.
That's a come on, you ain't no cop. Get that shit out of my face.
Oh my god, Popo Joe Bob was a whoop whoop. Bro, we got a fucking video. Show him, Journey.
Y'all crazy.